Are you interested in details on solar panels? Humans have used solar energy since ancient times in many different applications, including the drying of crops before conservation and heating of houses. Archimedes used solar energy to burn the Roman warship in 212 BC. He concentrated solar radiation on the enemy army ships using many of metal shields. Babylonian women also used golden vessels to concentrate solar radiation and to obtain fire. Solar power. Many scientists have used solar energy to melt metals, heat the air, convert water to steam, and distill water, and there are global plans for irrigation using solar energy. Today man is still inventing renewable means to take advantage of solar energy by converting it to other forms. The advantages of solar energy. The technology used in solar energy is simple and uncomplicated compared to others more commonly used. Solar energy conversion. Solar energy can be transformed into other forms of energy, such as electric power and thermal energy. Photovoltaic conversion is the conversion of solar energy directly into electrical energy using solar cells, in which case it is important to use materials that work on photoelectric conversion, known as semiconductors, the most important of which is silicon and germanium. Call our business as soon as possible for some information on solar panels.